40 countries, fewer than a third of all signatories to the International Criminal Court, gathered in London, affirming their support for the court's work in Ukraine. The journey towards international justice will be long, its scope vast, and these mainly Western members of the court have pledged money and resources to the cause.
We share the belief that President Putin and the wider leadership must be held to account, and it's absolutely vital that we unite behind the ICC and that we support the Office of the Prosecutor with whatever it needs.
Appealing for support, the ICC's chief prosecutor said the very concept of international justice was at stake.
If we don't, at this moment in world affairs, cling to the law, if we don't look at ourselves and decide how we can do better, not just in Ukraine, but as nations, as member states of the United Nations, we will not only miss an opportunity, but we may not have further opportunities.
High on everyone's agenda was the first major step on that journey. Arrest warrants issued last week for Russian President Vladimir Putin and his Children's Rights Commissioner, charged with the illegal deportation of Ukrainian children. Russia's response, a day after President Putin toured the Ukrainian city of Mariupol, now under Russian occupation, was to issue criminal charges against the ICC itself for ignoring Putin's immunity as head of state under international law. So the chief prosecutor of the ICC, KARIM, has urged countries here to find the stamina to deliver international justice. But the real test of that stamina will not be in pledges made at conferences like these, but in countries signed up to the ICC recognizing their obligation to deliver on its orders in the name of international justice. Like South Africa, a signatory to the ICC, which failed to arrest Sudan's Omar Hassan al-Bashir on an ICC warrant when he visited the country in 2015. President Putin is due there for a summit in August, and the South African presidency says it is aware of its legal obligations. Mr. Putin may have to rethink his plans, now a wanted man in the International Criminal Court's quest for justice. Jonah, Al Jazeera, London.